Akiheana riboti ya igeranio cia KCPE iratabanirio guothe bururi-ini ihinda-ini ria thikũ ithatũ, Minista wa Githomo Amina Mohammed augite muigana wa arutwo aria marohete nda magithoma na aria maraheirwo ciana magika igeranio mwaka uyu ni wa kumakania. Riboti kuma kundu gutiganite cionanitie ati airitu 20 ni maraheirwo ciana magika kigeranio giki na angi magana mareka igeranio mohete nda. Ni undu woguo uthuthuria ni wambikitwo ni Ministry ya Githomo niguo gutuiria aria mangikorwo magitabania ciiko ici kuri ciana cia cukuru iria nyingi citakinyitie miaka 18.
If this is happening all year round, then the country could be facing a real crisis. I have asked my Quality Assurance and Standards Department to work with relevant departments to investigate the extent of this situation and give me a report for further action.
PS wa Githomo Belio Kipsang augite uria wothe ukunyitwa na mahitia maya ndakwirica guikio ngono, akiuga ati kuri aciari maraheo indo ta mbeca, mburi kana ng'ombe na gwitikiria ciana ciao itumwo ndugu nacio.
We shall go beyond our teachers. We shall go to those villages. We know there are some places where people meet and they do local negotiation. They give out one cow here, one thing there. We shall not allow that, and we shall arrest them, including the parents who are engaged in this backroom negotiation while they are compromising the future of our children.
Mwaka uyu uici wa igeranio wirikanite gukorwo uthiete thi, ona gukire uguo kuri cira ukinyitio igoti-ini mwena wa Kisii na Migori thutha wa andu eri kunyitwo magiitwa arutwo magika kigeranio. Igeranio ici cikumakwo na arutwo maingire secondary kiambiriria-ini kia mwaka uyu ukite.
Nie uria ngumwira ni ati ona mwana agia na grade iriku gutire mwana ukwaga guthie form 1 neguo koguo tutige kumatindika ureke mwana eke kurigana na uhoti uria Ngai ekumuhe gitiguo tuye ati gutire mwana ugatigwo mucii.
Ngiribotera Inoro TV, getwo Karo Kinyugo Mwaura.